Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can connect Aliexpress to Dsers. So first you need to create account on Dsers, and once you create your account, here it will show you the option to link your supplier. So here you can see Aliexpress is showing, so click here, click on login, and you need to log in into Aliexpress. So you need to wait. Okay, sign in and authorize permission. So here you need to add your password, email and password. Click on sign in. Click on access now. And now you can see that, click on I am in. Here you can see AliExpress here. So now it is connected, and here you can see Dsers. It is connected with my Shopify as well. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.